Hello, my dear student. A very good morning to all of you. I hope you and your family member are safe at home. Yes or no? So, in this corona crisis, okay. So, I will not let your study. So that's why I am doing my best to. So you should not distance from your study. Yes or no? So in the previous classes, yes, in the previous classes I have discussed the human digestive system. Okay, I hope you are enjoying my online classes. Yes or no? So already I discussed the how the human digestion is happen. Okay, so little bit introduction I will given. So in this period I will discuss, okay, how the different organ, okay, so different organ participate in the different function. Okay, all the enzyme, okay, so how all enzyme is working. Okay, yes or no? So first where food enter, so it is enter food to mouth. Okay, so from mouth to through the anus will I will discuss. Okay, so let's come to write down first what stomach. Okay, okay, stomach, right hand, sorry, mouth. Okay, mouth, or it is called what, vocal cavity. Vocal cavity, yes. So mouth or vocal cavity. So mouth, so this is the mouth. Okay, so mouth is the anterior opening of the what, it is the anterior opening. Okay, so while what will happen, we take first food, yes or no, through the hand. Yes, take food. Okay, so what will happen, then teeth is there, yes or no, 32 teeth is there, they help in the cutting the food. Okay, they cutting, biting, chewing and grinding. Okay, so what will happen, they make the food powder form. Yes or no? So write down. So in a buccal cavity, okay, write down, it is the anterior, okay, anterior opening in mouth. Okay, so buccal cavity, what, buccal cavity or mouth, it is the same. Okay, mouth in it is the science name is called buccal cavity. Okay, so it is the anterior opening in the what, mouth. Okay, so what will happen in the mouth? Okay, so three organ is there, one is the teeth. Okay, one is the teeth, yes or no, another is the what, tongue, yes or no. So tongue, then third one is the salivary gland. Okay, so what is salivary gland, yes or no. So now discuss one by one what are the function of. Okay, so teeth. Okay, so teeth, what will happen, they, what will they make food crossing and grinding, yes or no. So teeth, okay, the teeth, teeth break down, yes or no, break down food into small what, pieces. Okay, small pieces, yes or no. So what will happen, the four type of teeth is there, incisor, canine, premolar, molar. Okay, so these four type of teeth, okay, they make food crossing, grinding, okay, tearing, then porching, yes, all the things they are doing in the mouth. Okay, okay, so what will happen, they make food powder form. Okay, then come to tongue. Okay, so you have no tongue. Okay, so how can you now this food is sour, this food is taste, okay, this food is bitter like this. Yes, how can you now, through the help of a tongue. Okay, so what is the function of a tongue? So tongue taste the food. Okay, so taste the food. Okay, and another function, and mix. Okay, mix the food with the saliva. Yes or no? So tongue, okay, tongue is a muscular organ, okay, so it is move in all direction. So in our body one organ is there, tongue, okay, you have to remember it is a muscular organ, it is moving in all direction, okay, so you can move, you can move, okay, so how it is moving in all direction, what will happen, it will mix the food with the saliva in tongue, okay, in tongue some board is there, okay, some opening is there, so these are called what, board, okay, so this is the tasting board, okay, so this board what will happen, they taste the food, the food may be sweet, the food may be bitter, the food may be or sour, yes or no, so tongue is the function, so it tastes the food and mix the food with the saliva, yes or no, so then salivary gland, okay, write down, so salivary gland, okay, so what will happen, so salivary gland, okay, so salivary gland is there, it is secreted salivary amylase, one enzyme, okay, enzyme are the chemical substance which increases the reaction, already in the first period I told you, okay, so enzyme are the chemical substance which, okay, which increases the reaction, yes, so what will happen, so saliva have one enzyme called salivary amylase, okay, so this salivary amylase what will happen, so they digest, okay, so it is we are eating a starch food, yes or no, so it make a what, it make a sugar form, okay, it is make a sugar form, yes, okay, salivary gland it is secret, okay, write down, secrets salivary amylase, salivary amylase enzyme, okay, which okay, which digest, okay, starts into sugar, okay, so what will happen, see here, so what will happen, so this is we are eating all food are rice food, okay, rice, chapati, okay, vegetables, okay, so these are we are eating in mouth na, what these are starch food, okay, these are called starch, okay, so what will happen, so starch, okay, through the help of what, salivary amylase enzyme, amylase enzyme, it convert what, sugar, yes, so these are the sugar is the simple form of the food which can absorb our body, okay, so this is the how food is digested in the mouth, then food come to where, stomach, write down, so this is about the mouth or buccal cavity, okay, so buccal cavity three organ is there, what, so these are the what, first one is teeth, okay, teeth, tongue and salivary gland, so these are the play important role in our buccal cavity, salivary gland in your both cheek, okay, in both cheek and below the tongue, okay, so salivary gland is there, okay, so so many salivary, three pair salivary gland is there, when you go through the higher classes you will be know about this, but now still you will know that only salivary gland, okay, and the function, okay, so then come to stomach, yes, so write down stomach, okay, so what will happen after all finishing all the function in mouth, okay, so some food is digested in mouth, yes or no, so it is make grinding form or all the powder form, then food come to where, it is stomach, yes or no, so what will happen, okay, so before going to the stomach what will happen, so the food enter to mouth is finished, digestion is over, then food to the esophagus, okay, esophagus. Okay, so what will happen in the esophagus? Two pipe is there. One is the wind pipe, another is the food pipe. Okay, so what will happen? Especially when we are eating now, at the time we are talking, so food go through the wrong way. So at the time we are facing vomiting. Yes or no? Vomiting. Yes or no? So when you are talking, when you are eating, you should not talk. Okay, so because when food will go through the wrong way, vomiting will come out. Okay, and this is the, then what will happen in here when the food reach in the esophagus? Okay, so one rhythmic contraction and relaxation happen. Okay, so the wind pipe, okay, so it is contracts, okay, contracts and relax, contracts and relax. Okay, so it is happen like this, means the food are going through the down. Okay, so at that time what will happen? The food is going to the down. Okay, so rhythmic contraction and relaxation. Okay, through the one pressure is happening. Okay, so what will happen when we are eating? So what will happen? The esophagus. Okay, so it is rhythmic contraction and relaxation happen, and the food go through the where? Stomach. Okay, so when the food stomach, so food the so stomach. Okay, so it is a thick and flat organ. Okay, so it is a, write down, it is a thick. Okay, thick, flat. Okay, flat organ. Yes or no? Oh, okay, so you see, stomach, how much that they like it is big na? Yes or no? And flat also. Yes or no? So it is look like the J shape. Okay, it is look like which shape? J shape. Okay, J in your English alphabet. Okay, J is there na? So it is J shape. Okay, so what will happen? So J shape. Okay, so this is the J shape of structure. It is your stomach. Okay, okay, so this is a stomach. Okay, so it is a J shape stomach. Okay, so here esophagus. Okay, so what will happen here? The contraction and relaxation will happen. So what will happen? The food material na, okay, so it is go through the where? Stomach. Okay, so when the food are stored in the stomach, okay, in the stomach, okay, so in the stomach, one is the mucus. Okay, mucus, another is the HCl. Okay, third one is the, okay, then digestive enzyme. Okay, so in the stomach, okay, so in the stomach, three, okay, organ is there. Okay, so mucus. Okay, so mucus, it is a gum like structure. Okay, so it protect our inner lining of the stomach. Okay, write down, it protect the inner lining. Okay, inner surface of the stomach. Okay, why it is protect? Because stomach releases some acid. Okay, so this acid, it is dangerous. It will burn the food. Okay, now about acid, when we throw put acid on your skin, what will happen? Your skin will be burned. So like so why it is mucus is there? So it will protect inner surface of stomach. Okay, so stomach. So HCl, so it is a hydrochloric acid. Write down, hydrochloric acid. Okay, so this acid, what will happen? So it will make the food acid. Okay, it makes, okay, the it makes the food acid and kill germs. Okay, so what will happen? HCl, it is a hydrochloric acid. So or otherwise it is called gastric juice. Okay, because it is a sometimes what will happen, gas will happen. Why? Because this is due to the secretion of HCl. Okay, you think if you not eat it morning, okay, you have to suppose you do your lunch very late. Okay, morning breakfast you do in lunch. Okay, what will happen? So gastric will come. Gastric means this HCl. It is a enzyme. Okay, so it will be secret. What will happen? It will burn your stomach. Yes or no? So that's why you should not stay without the food. Okay, so always you have to eat something. You have to eat or drink water. Okay, so what will happen? Mucus your then HCl. It makes the food acid. Okay, so it is make the food acid and digest. Okay, then and kill the germs. Okay, so in stomach where germs come, germs mean bacteria, virus. Okay, so what will happen? We are eating the food, some food or bacteria, virus is there na, maybe there. Okay, so what will happen? The HCl. Okay, so he kills the germs. Okay, then digestive enzyme. Okay, so this is digestive enzyme. What will happen? Okay, so this digestive enzyme, so this digestive enzyme, what will happen? So it is some protein food in the dal, fish. Okay, so what will happen? So this digestive enzyme called digestive enzyme pepsin. Okay, so digestive enzyme what? Pepsin. So this digestive enzyme what will happen? So protein food they make it is simpler form. Okay, which can our body can absorb easily. So protein in the presence of what? Pepsin. Okay, so it releases what? Peptone plus protease. Okay, so these are the simple form of a food. Okay, what a simple form of a food. Okay, so we are eating a protein dal or moong dal, fish. Okay, so paneer. So these are the what? Protein type food. Okay, so these are the complex food. Okay, so what will happen? This pepsin enzyme. Okay, pepsin enzyme, what will happen? It will make what? Soluble form. Okay, so which can our body can easily access. Okay, so all the nutrient in their blood. Yes or no? So this is about the stomach. Then come to after here. Okay, it is something is happen now. Some food is digested here. Then again food enter to here. Okay, so the third organ it is the small intestine. Yes, so let's to small intestine. Okay, small intestine. Then come to small intestine. Right on. Small intestine. Okay, so in your picture, okay, you see some coil like structure is there. Okay, so okay, so this coil like structure is there. It is called a small intestine. Okay, so it is a coiled. Okay, so they are like it. Okay, धागा जैसे रहता है मालूम है ना. Okay, वो ऐसे ही रहते हैं. Okay, so it is the coiled like structure. It is the coiled. Okay, coiled like structure. Okay, it is coiled. Okay, with the height. Okay, 7.5 meter length. Okay, so it is coiled and 7.5 meter. Yes or no? So what will be small intestine? Okay, so it is a coil in your stomach. Okay, with the 7.5 meter length. Okay, so what will happen? So the small intestine, so two enzyme is there. Okay, one is the what? It is the liver, another is the pancreas. Okay, so these two enzyme secrete these digestive gland. Okay, they secrete two enzyme called okay. So one is the what will happen? So liver. Okay, liver organ is there, then pancreas. Okay, pancreas. Okay, so liver and pancreas. So liver what secret? It is secret bile. Okay, bile juice. Okay, so it is secret bile juice. Okay, so and pancreas secret pancreatic juice. Pancreatic juice. Okay, so what will happen? So the liver secret bile and then the pancreas secret pancreatic juice. Okay, so these two juice, okay, so mix with the food in the small intestine. Okay, so liver. Okay, so liver is the largest gland in our body. It is the brown like color. Okay, write down. Liver is the largest gland. Okay, gland brown in color. Okay, brown in color. Okay, so liver secreted bile juice. Okay, so this bile juice is stored in the where? Gall bladder. Okay, so question will come. Bile secreted from the where? Liver, and it is stored in the gall bladder. Yes. So the pancreas secrete pancreatic juice. Okay, so the liver is the largest gland. Okay, in our body. Okay, so it is the largest gland in our body. It is present below the abdomen in the right side. In our stomach, in the right side. So liver is there. Yes or no? So then come to okay. So pancreas. Okay, pancreas are okay. Pancreas are cream in color. Okay, leaf-like structure. Okay, leaf-like in structure. Which type of structure? It is the leaf-like structure. Okay. So question will come. Okay, or cream in color. Maybe you can say cream in color. Pancreas are leaf-like structure or cream in color. Okay. So these liver and pancreas they secreted two enzymes. One is the liver secreted bile juice and pancreas secret what? Pancreatic juice. Okay. So the bile juice what will happen? So it is digest. Okay. So it is digest the fat. Yes. So fat food means thing groundnut, ghee, okay, paneer. So these food the bile juice can digest. Okay, write down. So bile, okay, fat food, okay, in the presence of a bile, okay, okay, in the presence of a bile, okay. So what will make? It will make what? Fatty acid or plus glycerol. Okay, so what will happen? The fat food, okay, in the presence of a bile enzyme, okay, bile enzyme, okay. So in the presence of a bile enzyme, so it will make fatty acid and glycerol. So these are the simpler or sugar form of the food which can our body can absorb. Okay, then come to it is the bile is over. Then come to what? Pancreatic juice. You can write down. Okay, so fat, again fat, protein, okay, carbohydrate, okay. So these are okay, so these are digested, okay, by pancreatic juice, okay. So by the pancreatic juice, okay, so fat, protein make what, protein make what, amino acid, amino acid. So amino acid the amino acid, okay. So it is the simpler form of a sugar, okay, simpler form. Then carbohydrate make what, it is the, okay, starch. So starch is a simpler form, okay. So these are the, so what will happen, so this fat, you know na, it is a fat is a amino acid, amino acid, sorry, protein, protein is amino acid, it is a fatty acid, okay, fatty acid plus glycerol. So what will happen, so the protein, okay, so these are the complex food, okay, so these are the what, complex food, okay, complex food, okay. So what will happen, so with the help of a pancreatic juice, okay, pancreatic juice, okay, so these food they make it is a simpler form, okay. So what will happen after here some function is happen na, some food is digested na, then what will happen, the, okay, so what will happen, so the food, okay, so starts here you can write glucose. So what will happen, so after some digestion here again the food, okay, so what will happen, go through the where, it is the large intestine, small intestine digestion over na, then come to large intestine, okay, write down large intestine, okay. Large intestine, large intestine, okay. So it is the wider, what it is the short, okay. So write down, it is the wider and the short, yes or no. So from from the small intestine you see the large intestine is there, okay. So it is the what, it is the 1.5 meter length, okay, as compared to small intestine it is the small, okay. Name is large intestine, but it is the small 1 meter length, okay. Then what will happen, the large intestine, okay, okay. So what will happen, it will absorb, okay, salt and water from the undigested food, undigested food, okay. So what will happen, so digestion is happen na where, small intestine. So completely digestion happening in where, small intestine. You remember this question will come in your exam, okay. So then okay, so in the small intestine another organ is there, it is villi, okay, it is finger like projection. So what will happen, they absorb the nutrient in the blood, okay, so transport the different organ, then come to, so remaining what, the food material, so come to large intestine. So large is wider and it is the short, okay. So it is the 1.5 meter length, okay. It absorb water, salt and water from the undigested food, okay. So then what will happen, food enter to where, again it is, okay. So then come to where, then food come to rectum. So then food come to the rectum, okay. So write down, it is store, okay, it is store the semi solid, the semi solid waste. Okay, so you are going two number, so two number are stored in where? In the rectum. Okay, so then come to what will happen, so then anus. Okay, so what will happen, anus is the, okay, so this is semi solid. Okay, when it make a pressure. Okay, so what will happen, okay, the fecal material means, fecal material means two number. Okay, releases by the organ. Okay, so what will happen, so the rectum is the, it is store the semi solid waste. Okay, so in this large intestine they absorb the salt and water, the remaining waste. Okay, we are going to two number daily morning or night. Okay, so the two number is stored in the rectum. Okay, so again when the rectum make a pressure, okay, what will happen, the two number is releases, or is it going through the ground by the anus. Okay, what is it? It is called anus. Yes or no? So here see anus. How can you see? This is anus. Okay, a small opening. Okay, here this is the anus. Through this anus, the two number is going. Okay, so in this way the food are digested in each and every organ, and it is absorb the blood. Yes, so this is the about the digestion. Then if you have doubt, you can ask me in next period. I will discuss about the step of digestion. So stay connect, stay safe. Thank you.